The doctor's gonna come in here.
Why? Can you draw me via Amber Castle so he don't see me playing Ambers on the dirty floor? We gotta build a castle first. Oh, let's go back home. First you gotta. Oh no, I got Bobo right there. Can you take this off? Why?
The doctor has to do it.
You got to get another tape. Can you get some for me? You're not doctor? Oh, can you get a little bit? Why?
The doctor will get mad.
No, my Bobo. There's a little piece right there of my Bobo.
The doctor put that on you to make you feel better. It puts medicine in your arm.
Yeah. But can you get a little bit? Okay, we'll get it.
The doctor sees me. Did he see me? Do it. Do it. Do it now.
Almost come. He almost come to the city. You doing that? Hurry. You gotta hurry so the doctor will do it. The doctor didn't do that. Okay. I can't do this. Why she's crying? Cause she wants to still being sick. No, she can't. Say sorry.
He's looking better.
Hi.
I'm Roger Wonders.
Hi.
I was in it earlier when he was breathing like a champ.
Yeah.
He's looking better though.
Thanks.
It's better, Daddy. It's gonna make my Bobo gone. Hi, Daddy.
I gotta put this back.
So the doctor won't see you. Say sorry.
Sorry.
He said sorry.
He didn't see me?
Nope.
I'm not in trouble?
No. If dogs don't go time out.
Huh?